What are the purposes of PCB? Number 1, it is a place to mount electronic components. Number 2, it provides the means of electrical connection. What are the two sides of PCB? The two sides of PCB are, number 1, the substrate. The substrate consists of thin copper layer which is firmly bonded to an insulating base material. This is the side where electronic components are placed and also called the component side. Number 2, the copper side. The copper side of the PCB is a conductor where the electronic components terminal lead are soldered. It is also called the solder side. What are the applications of PCB? The applications of PCB are the following, but not limited to: number 1, automotive. Automotive industry examples are dashboards, engine management systems or EMS, power supplies, car entertainment, fuel regulators, heater controls, and satellite navigation. Number 2, medical. Medical industry examples are X-ray, MRI, ultrasound, blood analysis, drug metering devices, and pump controls. Number 3, defense. Examples are radar, RF projects and antenna, hostile electronics detection and blocking, armored car control and security. Number 4, lighting. Lighting and emergency lighting. Examples are road signs, vehicle hazards, DC safety lighting, floor lightings, exit lightings, marine and aircraft, and cabin lighting. Number 5, signs. Example of signs are road signs, danger signs, shop signs, static and flashing LED lighting. Number 6, scientific research. Examples are instrumentation, microscope illumination, scanning electron microscope control boards, and spectrophotometers. Number 7, computers. Examples are motherboards, daughter boards, piggyback boards, flex connectors, and memory interface cards. Number 8, broadcasting. Examples are radio frequency boards, amplifiers, boosters, antenna, receivers, and transmitters. Number 9, marine instrumentation. Examples are boat or ship dashboards, navigation systems, navigation lights, exit lights, spotlights, engine management system, power distribution and measurement. Number 10, building protection. Examples are smoke, fire, and burglar alarms, door monitoring and locking, and fire door control. Number 11, health and safety. Examples are building site lights, site warning alarms, food temperature control and alarm, emergency lighting and alarms. Number 12, electronic security. Examples are burglar alarms, electronic door locks, motion sensors, closed-circuit television, and vending machine security. Number 13, audio devices. Examples are amplifiers, splitters, mixing desk, recording desk, sound television, and microphones. Number 14, transportation. Examples are tracking devices, reverse alarms, car alarms, immobilizers, dashboards, train controls, train lighting and railway signals. Number 15, agriculture. Examples are grain measurement, soil analysis, humidity control, and tractor electronics. Number 16, power management. Examples are control for generators, compressors, power measurement and control cabinets. Number 17, art and design. Examples are LED-mounted clothing, stage lights, bespoke concert lights balls, snowflake lights for entrance to hotels and exhibition centers, wall backlights, exhibition lightings. Number 18, timekeeping. Examples are time clocks, swipe cards, barcode entry, and logging. Number 19, education. Examples are school electronic projects, educational toys, and building yourself systems or do-it-yourself systems. Number 20, electric fence. Examples are AC/DC energizers. Number 21, retail industry. Examples are rotating POS stands, illuminated POS stands, counter illumination, freezer monitors, and alarms. Number 22, industrial instrumentation. Examples are generator controls, compressor controls, and power measurement.
Review. The two purposes of PCB are to mount electronic components and to provide electrical connection. The two sides of the PCB are the substrate and the copper side. The applications of PCB are the following but not limited to: Number 1, automotive industry. Number 2, medical industry. Number 3, defense. Number 4, lighting and emergency lighting. Number 5, signs. Number 6, scientific research. Number 7, computers. Number 8, broadcasting. Number 9, marine instrumentation. Number 10, building protection. Number 11, health and safety. Number 12, electronic security. Number 13, audio devices. Number 14, transportation. Number 15, agriculture. Number 16, power management. Number 17, art and design. Number 18, timekeeping. Number 19, education. Number 20, electric fence. Number 21, retail industry. Number 22, industrial instrumentation. Written activity number 1. In your EPAS electronic learning activity sheet or learning activity sheet from page 5 to 11, arrange the jumbled letters. Direction: arrange the jumbled letters inside of the open and close parenthesis to complete the sentence and reveal the two purposes, 2 sites and 22 applications of PCB. Write your answers in your EPAS notebook or separate answer sheet. Note: follow the correct format based from the given example answer sheet. If you have questions or queries, private message or text your teacher. God bless.